Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Docs PDF. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Google Docs, you can open your documents to your documents. And if you wanna save this document to PDF, so you just click on the three dots icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on the share and export. Click on it, and now you just click on save as. And after this, in here you can change the word, you can change the format to a PDF documents. And after this, in here you just click on the OK, and you can waiting until the process has been finished. So that how to make a Google Docs PDF. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.